Hey, what's up car enthusiasts? Welcome back to Car Expert. Today, we're diving into an Indian icon, the Mahindra Thar, known for its legendary off-road capabilities, rugged design, and adventurous spirit. The Thar is perfect for those who crave the thrill of exploring new terrains. Let's take a closer look at everything the 2025 Mahindra Thar has to offer and see why it's the go-to choice for adventure lovers across India. Body, exterior design. The 2025 Mahindra Thar stays true to its rugged heritage, with a bold design that's built for off-roading. The Thar features Mahindra's signature boxy shape, with strong lines and wide wheel arches, giving it that classic SUV look. LED headlamps and round fog lamps keep the design traditional, while modern features like LED DRLs, daytime running lights, add a touch of sophistication. The Thar's 16-inch alloy wheels are paired with all-terrain tires, giving it the clearance and grip needed to tackle rough trails and rocky paths. At the rear, the Thar sports classic vertical tail lamps, a mounted spare wheel, and robust bumpers, completing the look of a true off-road vehicle. With its iconic design and rugged build, the Mahindra Thar makes a bold statement, whether on city streets or mountain trails. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Mahindra Thar? With its rugged design, powerful engine options, off-road capabilities, and modern features, the Thar is perfect for anyone who loves adventure. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just want a stylish, reliable SUV for everyday use, the Mahindra Thar has something for everyone. Let us know in the comments if the Mahindra Thar is your ideal SUV. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.